All right, I have a good news for you. Atlassian is providing a free certification exam voucher. So please follow along the video with me. The link is in the description box. How to get this certification exam voucher. So if we scroll down here, here is what to expect. So there will be some questions, right? We got to answer. Then we got to basically make it to the top 10 leadership board and will receive the free certification exam voucher. So the important thing to note is that you got to fill this up with your company email address. If you look here, company email, please do not use your personal email like the Gmail, Yahoo, those kind of things, right? That won't work. You got to select a date, then fill up these details. Please note if you're not getting listed, so it might be you are missing out some important things, especially the company email, right? So let's quickly I'll fill these details up, and there we go. Once you submit, everything is successful. You'll see get registered. You'll get the details on your company email as well. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that it can help them with free certification Atlassian exam voucher. So also please consider subscribing to this channel because I regularly update videos related to high paying IT certification and free exam vouchers which will help you to upskill yourself in IT industry.